Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off private listening mode on the Spotify app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Spotify and select your user icon up at the top left, and then go down and select where it says Settings and Privacy, and then select the Privacy and Social tile in here. And where it says private session, temporarily hides your listening activity from your followers. Toggle this on or off to left or right depending on your preference. Private sessions automatically end after 6 hours though, so you will need to come back in here and turn it back on down the road if you want to re-enable that. But pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.